It is important to become familiar with the tools and features of online assessment before testing day. The Online Tools Training Program is designed to give you an opportunity to explore an online assessment, to practice using the tools and features of online assessments, and to respond to sample test questions. To begin exploring the Online Tools Training, select the DRC Insight Online Assessments icon on your computer desktop. Once the program starts, select Insight Training and then Online Tools Training. You can select from the available training sessions by selecting from the list. Next, the available Online Tools Training course sessions for the selected administration will appear. Select the training session you want to review by clicking on the subject and then selecting the grade or course name. Once the welcome screen opens, follow the on-screen instructions to begin. Be sure to read the directions before starting your Online Tools Training session. Within each Online Tools Training program, look for on-screen practice hints. These hints will help guide you to practice and explore specific tools and features important to your online assessment. Try out the navigation, tools, and general testing aid buttons found above each test question. Explore each test item and any text, picture, or chart. Answer the practice questions and review your progress using the Review or End Test button. You are allowed to sign in and take any Online Tools Training course as many times as you like. Ask your teacher for more information about how you can take an Online Tools Training.